In a bold and unprecedented proposal, former President Donald Trump has announced his plan to eliminate federal income taxes for individuals earning less than $150,000 annually. This move, he argues, would put more money directly into the hands of hardworking Americans and fundamentally reshape the U.S. tax system. Speaking to his supporters, Trump made his stance clear. It's time for the United States to return to the system that made us richer and more powerful than ever before. Instead of taxing our citizens to enrich foreign nations, we should be tariffing and taxing foreign nations to enrich our citizens. The idea behind this policy is simple. By removing the burden of federal income tax for middle-class Americans, families will have more disposable income to spend, save, and invest in their future. Trump's plan could lead to significant savings for millions of workers. For example, someone earning $149,000 a year could potentially save over $25,000 annually on federal taxes, allowing them to afford better housing, education, or reinvest in their businesses. But where will the government make up for this lost revenue? Trump's answer: tariffs. His plan involves shifting the responsibility of funding the federal government onto foreign nations by imposing higher tariffs on imports. According to Trump, these tariffs will not only generate revenue, but also encourage companies to bring jobs back to America. In one of his speeches, he stated, "We will not allow the enemy to come in and take our jobs and take our factories, unless they pay a big price, and the big price is tariffs." Supporters of the plan argue that this could lead to a revitalization of American manufacturing and job growth. By making it more expensive for companies to import goods, they would have a stronger incentive to produce within the United States, ultimately benefiting American workers. However, economic experts warn that this strategy could have unintended consequences. While tariffs may generate revenue, they could also drive up prices on everyday goods, hitting consumers, especially lower-income households, the hardest. As the cost of imported goods rises, so will inflation, potentially canceling out the benefits of the tax cut for many Americans. As this debate unfolds, the country watches closely. Will this tax proposal be a game changer for the middle class? Or will the reliance on tariffs create new economic challenges? One thing is certain: Trump's vision for America's tax system is radically different from anything seen before, and if implemented, it could redefine the financial future of millions of Americans.